Hello everyone and welcome back to Math Olympiad problem solving series. Today again we are going to solve a very interesting problem on operations on algebra. So here one expression is there. The expression looks a little bit big, but it's a very simple and interesting. Now see, in numerator and denominator we see some factors. Okay, this is one factor, this is another factor. So like this, some factors are there in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now look at the form. You see this 4 into 7. So what is the increase from 4 to 7? It's 3. 6 to 9. So again 3 increase. 8 to 11. Again 3 increase. So in each and every term we see an increase of what? 3. In the denominator also 5 to 8 is again 3 increase. 7 to 10 3 increase. So if we consider suppose 5 as 3. So if it is n, then what is the next term? It will be n plus how much? 3, right? And then with this one 2 is there. So let us first calculate this. N into n plus 3 plus 2. So it will be n square plus thrice n plus 2. Now if we factorize it, what we will get? N plus 1 and then n plus 2. Now each and every factor, this 4 into 7 plus 2, each and every factor now can also be expressed like this. So from this particular line, what you can write now? You see, here n is what? 4. So it will be 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, and then 4 plus 2, right? Then the second term, now here, in the second factor, n is how much? 6. So it will be 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2. Then 8 plus 1, 8 plus 2. What will be the last term? It will be our 100 plus 1 and then 100 plus 2. Okay, 100 plus 2. So in the same way, in the denominator also what we can write? In the denominator, first term is 5 into a. So 5 we can consider as n. So it will be 5 plus 1 and then 5 plus 2. Then 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2. 9 plus 1 and then 9 plus 2. Later you can skip this particular part. So for better explanation I am writing all the factors. So when you do the problem, if you understand this, then you can directly skip this particular line. Okay, so then what we will get? 4 plus 1 is how much? 5 into 6. Then your 7 into 8. 9 into 10. Then 101 into 102. Okay, and then in the denominator 6 into 7, 8 into 9, 10 into 11, and then it's 100 into 101, right? Now if you observe the term very carefully, you see 6 cancel out, 7 cancel out, 8 cancel out. So like this, so many terms will cancel out. So 5 is not cancelling with anyone else. So 5 into, what is the last big term? 102. That will not be cancelled with anyone. So 102. Now if you multiply it, what you will get? 510. Okay. So it's very simple and very interesting. Okay. So for similar kind of more interesting problem, kindly subscribe the channel and share with your friends also. Thank you for watching.